Hello guys, welcome to Pedia. I'm your friend Adesh, and in this video we will be learning how to install Java in our systems and to create our first Java based program. So let's get started. So to install Java, follow some easy steps that I'll be showing you guys, and within some minutes you will be able to create your very first Java program in your own system. So to install Java in Google search for Oracle downloads, because as we all know that Java is now owned by Oracle, so will be getting its setup on Oracle's website. Now select the very first appearing link in Google searches and search, and when you get redirected to their website, search for Java section. Now select the Java JDK for developers option available here. Now on the appearing page, search for Java SE 8U201 hash 8U202. It's here, as you can see, it's here, and select this link. Now after getting redirected here, Java SE, search for Java SE JDK, that is Java SE Development Kit 8U201, and accept the license agreement and select the type of setup that will be supportive to your operating system and click on download. Now for me it's Windows into 64, so I will be downloading it and then save it wherever you want. Just wait for it to get downloaded. Now after your setup gets downloaded, just go to show in folder, or you can directly open it from here itself and just open it. Now after opening the setup file, this installation wizard gets opened. Here click on next, again next, and just wait till it get installed. Now here it will ask you guys where to install the JRE. So I recommend to install it in a simple path, or just follow me. Okay, so click on OK and change. So here in Windows C, what I will do is I'll create a new folder named Java SE. Okay, and then I will give the path for Java SE. Okay, and then next. Now again just wait till your JRE, that is Java runtime environment, get installed in the specified folder. And yes, your Java is now installed in your system. Now now you will be able to create your own Java programs in your system. So guys, now it's time to check whether Java is installed properly into our system or not. To check it, just open your command prompt, that is CMD command prompt, and in command prompt type javac, command javac, which is used to compile a Java program. So firstly you will see this error, because you have not given it the path where the javac file exists. So the javac file is exist into a path program files and Java JDK and in bin. So now to make it okay, what you have to, there are two ways to do it. So the first is you can directly set the path from here, from the command prompt, that is set path equal to, in colons, just copy it and paste it here and then done. Now if you type javac, you can see all the parameters that you can pass with the javac command. So now it's clear that Java is installed properly into our system. But the problem here is, when you will but the problem with this technique is, when you will cancel the command prompt and again open it and type javac, you will see that the problem still exists. So the alternative to this is, which I recommend personally, is go to control panel. In control panel, system and security, system. Here you can see advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to environment variables. In path, click on edit, add a new and browse, and just uh, search for the folder that is Java JDK in program files, Java JDK, and give it the folder of bin, and then click on OK, 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 OK. Now you have set it the path. Now again, when you will open the command prompt and type the javac command, you will see that all the parameters are shown. The parameters you have to pass with the javac file is now shown. So now we have installed our Java setup properly into our system. Now it's time to create a new Java program. So now it's time for you to create your first Java application, that is Hello World. So to do this, you need to open your notepad, which will act as an editor where we can type our Java code. The first thing we need to do is import the input output classes so that we can take the input from the user through the keyboard or display your output on the screen. To do this, we need to include the statement that is import java.io.star. The star means it will include all the classes. If you are familiar with C, you will notice that in C language we include the classes, but here we import. The meaning is same, only the syntax are different for Java and C. Now we will declare our main function, but as we know that Java is pure object oriented based programming language, all the functions in Java are binded in classes. So same is the case with the main function. So now here what we will do is we will create a class, let's say hello, and close it, and in this class we will declare the main function, and the syntax for declaring the main function is public static void main string args. I will explain you why we are declaring the main function in this way. The public keyword is used to specify the access type of this main, and the main function will always be of type public. Static is because we are not declaring the object of hello, and whenever we have to call a function we need the object, but using the static keyword the JVM can directly call the void main function without actually declaring the object of hello class. So this is the use of static keyword in this in the declaration of main function, and void is the return type of the function, main is the name of the function, and string args is the character array, is the string array, sorry, not character, string array, where it accepts the command line parameters, command line arguments. This is stored in this args array of string. You can even name it as args is just the name, you can give it anything. So now we will print hello world on the screen. To print in Java, the syntax is system dot out dot println, and in the brackets hello world. So here the function of backslash and n, that is new line, is done using this print ln. You can even write it as print if you don't want to go to the next line, and ln if you want to go to the next line. So this now we will save this file in a PC. Save, you can give it any of you can give it any path, and we will save it as hello dot java. All, it's a good guys, it's a good programming practice if you will give the file name as the class name in which your main function is consisted. You will get to know why we are doing this in further videos and further further programs when we will be creating further programs. So for now, just create the keep the file name just as the class name. Save. Now go to the path where you have stored your Java file. Okay, from here you can directly say cmd, your command prompt will get open. Now javac, space to compile it, javax space file name, that is hello.java. Now as you have seen that hello.class file has been created when we have compiled, and this class file is getting executed when we execute the file. To execute the file, this the statement, the command you have to enter is java space file name hello, and as you have seen, we have printed the hello world statement here. So guys, this is our first program, your very first program of Java, that is Hello World, and we have even learned in this video how to install Java in your systems. So yeah, that's the end, and thank you for giving your valuable time to view this video. If you like this video guys, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is CES Pedia. And thank you. See you in the next videos. Have a good day. Crack it.